In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add realistic fireworks to your photos in Photoshop. This is a simple effect, but it can make a huge difference when you want to create a festive mood, a holiday scene, or a dramatic nighttime edit. The best part is that you only need one fireworks image, one blending mode, and a few quick adjustments to make everything look natural. To get started, open the photo you want to edit in Photoshop. This will be your base image, so make sure it's the photo where you want the fireworks to appear. Once that's ready, copy your fireworks image and paste it directly into your project by pressing Ctrl+V. As soon as you paste it in, Photoshop will place the fireworks on a new layer above your original photo, which makes it easy to edit without affecting the background image. Next, go over to the Layers panel and change the fireworks layer's blending mode to Lighten. This step is what really makes the effect work. The Lighten blending mode removes the dark background from the fireworks image and keeps only the bright light, color, and spark details visible. That means the fireworks will start blending naturally into your photo instead of looking like a cutout pasted on top. Once the blending mode is applied, press V to activate the Move tool and then drag the fireworks into the best position on your image. Try to place them where they make sense in the scene, especially if your photo includes a sky or open background area. Good placement is one of the main things that helps the final result feel believable. If the size or angle doesn't look right, press Ctrl+T to open Free Transform. From there, choose Warp from the transform options. This allows you to gently bend or reshape the fireworks so they match the perspective of your photo and sit more naturally in the composition. Make small, careful adjustments here. A subtle change usually looks much more realistic than an extreme one. If needed, you can duplicate the fireworks layer to increase the effect, or slightly lower the layer's opacity if the fireworks look too intense. These small refinements can help the final image feel more balanced and polished. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've turned an ordinary photo into a vibrant, eye-catching image with a realistic fireworks display. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting with Photoshop blending modes and transformation tools to bring your creative ideas to life.